Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I finally got the Gorgeous Posies card kit. It's actually a retiring item. It's on sale right now, so you've got a couple weeks left to order it if you'd like one. This is the box it comes in. How gorgeous is that? It coordinates with the Gorgeous Posies stamp set. The stamp set is sold separately. This is not an all-inclusive kit. It is almost like a Cards and More kit. It just enhances what you already have. So let's open it up and have a look. So these are the instructions for the card kit. This is the box itself, and you can make all these different cards. And of course, you know, I'm going to end up doing something completely outside the box. But these are just beautiful. So let's go ahead and have a look at what's in the kit. There are some card fronts, essentially. There's a few different designs. That's really pretty. Wow, yes. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So these ones just scream for a greeting or a tag or something on them. Really, really straightforward way to make cards. These are your card bases. There's your peachy pink, which is it's your petal pink, and then your soft seafoam, and this one I think is Highland Heather, but let me just double check my kit and tell you exactly what the colors are instead of me guessing. So it coordinates with Blackberry Bliss, Blushing Bride, Gold, Gorgeous Grape, Highland Heather, Mint Macaroon, Purple Posy, Shaded Spruce, Soft Seafoam, and White. So there's your coordinating colors to go with your card bases and card fronts. Comes with the beautiful Purple Posy and Highland Heather envelopes to go with. And there's also some really lovely stickers that you can add to your cards just to brighten them up as well. And look at these gorgeous, gorgeous labels. They're already pre-cut. You just press them out. It's a bunch of different designs. And as I say, this is an enhancement kit. It is not an all-inclusive. So you would need your own dimensionals, your own adhesive, and your own ink as well. These are gorgeous, and it comes, look at this ribbon with the gold string running through it. That is really, really pretty. And then some Highland Heather cord. So that's what's in this beautiful box with the Gorgeous Posies card kit. So I will make a couple videos using the kit itself, and we will go from there. So thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next time.